Have you ever wanted to find your Xbox game files on your PC, but you weren't sure where to look? It's a common problem, and today we're going to show you exactly how to find them. So first, open the Xbox app on your PC. Sign in with your Xbox account, and from there, go to My Library. Here you can find the games that you've installed. So right-click on the game and select Manage to see where the game is stored on your PC. Now, if you can't find the files there, try looking in the C drive, okay? Open the File Explorer, then go to the Program Files or the Windows Apps folder. The game files are usually stored there, and it might be hidden. So if you don't see it, make sure to turn on the option to show hidden files in your settings. Another option is to use the Microsoft Store. So you open the store, you go to Library, and then you check the installation path for your games. If the files are still missing, you can also check your game settings in the Xbox app or reinstall the game to reset the file location, all right? So now that you know how to find your Xbox game files on PC, give these tips a try. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.